students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, today I want to complain about something that's not about all the students. There is one student, I don't want to take the name of the ID because the rest of the students will start finding that student. That student has commented something abusive, not for me, not for the video, but something abusive was commented by that ID. So it's a warning to you. If you are commenting something and you are deleting it, I used to get the notification of each and every comment. So if you are going to comment and then delete, I'm going to block you from the channel. That is an educational platform. I don't want anything abusive or any bad comments in my comment section. If you have not understood something, you can comment that also. If you have understood something, then you can also comment, but do not do anything apart from your studies in the comment section. There is one student who has done this. He or she, I don't know who has deleted the comment also. But deleting the comment is not going to delete my notification. I get the notification of each and every comment. So be careful, students. Okay. Now, I am going to start the revision for the chapter addition and subtraction. Yesterday you must have got some word problems. Now today I am going to discuss some questions which will be very helpful for you. Okay, because I am going to take the revision test after 2-3 days of this chapter addition and subtraction. What should be added to? This is a word problem. The question is, I am reading it for you. What should be added to 3984 to get 5986? Okay. If you want, I will write the question also. What should be added to 3984 to get 5986. So what is the answer? If you know the answer, you can comment down in the comment section. These types of questions are solved in which manner? I am going to explain you today. So 3984 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? We don't know. So let's make it x. Plus x is equals to 5986. Okay. So what should be added to 3984 in order to get 5986? Now this is plus x and this is also having a positive sign. Once it will go on the right hand side, the signs will be changed. Positive will become negative. Okay? Positive will become negative. So x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 5986 minus 3984. So once you will subtract both the numbers, the value of x is 2002. That means 2002 must be added to 3984 to get 5986. I hope you must have understood, students. Now let's move on to the next question. That is also a little bit similar to that. What should be subtracted from 9846 to get 7398? And the questions which I am explaining in the video, you have to do it in your maths classwork copy. What should be subtracted from 9846 to get 7398? That is also the same question. In the previous question it was added, what should be added. In this question it is what should be subtracted. Okay. If you want, you can pause the video and note down the question in your maths classwork copy. Now 9846 में से क्या माइनस करें जिससे हमें क्या मिले? 7398. Right, students? Now this is minus x. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will become what? Plus x. Okay. Now it is left 9846. Here it will be 7398 plus x. Now this is positive. Once it will come on this side, it will become negative. So 9846 minus 7398 is the value of x. So you have to subtract both the numbers. Okay, let me write it upwards as it is not visible. The last step I am writing here. 9846 minus 7398 is equals to x. So now you have to perform this in order to find out the, if you have to perform the subtraction in order to find out the value of x. You can comment down your answers in the comment section. Okay. So the students, the answer is 2448. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. The next question is, these types of questions are also very important. The sum of largest 4-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. The sum of largest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. Okay. So how will we find out the sum of largest 4-digit and smallest 3-digit number? First of all, I want all the students to comment in the comment section the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. The largest 4-digit number is 4 times 9. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Sum means addition, so just add them. Okay. So the final answer is 10,099. I hope you must have understood, students. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. This question is also similar to this. The question is the difference of largest 4-digit number and smallest 2-digit number. The difference of largest 4-digit number and smallest 2-digit number. This is the question. If you want, you can note down the question in the classwork copy, because you have to do this in your classwork copy. So now tell me, what is the largest 4-digit number? It is 4 times 9. If I talk about the smallest 2-digit number, it is 10. Just subtract. The final answer is 9,989. Now let's move on to the next question, students. That is also a little bit similar to this. So the next question is the product of largest 3-digit number. The product of largest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. Kindly comment down the largest and the smallest 3-digit numbers in the comment section. If you know the answer, comment down in the comment section. Yes, the product of largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. Product means multiplication. Largest 3-digit number is 999. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. So the final answer will be 99,900. I hope you must have understood. So students, if there is anything which you have not understood in this chapter, addition and subtraction, because I am going to take the revision test after 2-3 days. So please be prepared, and whatever I have taught in this video, these types of questions can also come in the revision and in the exam also. So you have to be prepared about each and every question. There are some true false also, true false exercises which I will be giving you tomorrow. So all the best, students, for your revision. If there is any query, any comments, comment down in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.